Good day. My name is Maria Jamaica Elaine Hikawa, and today I will be presenting my initial research proposal entitled Examining Organizational Barriers in Implementing Sustainable Practices in Local Cafes here in Laguna, Philippines. Globally, sustainability has become a major priority and is being adopted in business operations. For example, Starbucks is globally recognized as the leading coffee business in implementing green marketing to lessen their environmental impact. However, small cafes often struggle to adopt sustainable practices due to operational limitations, misconceptions about costs, and competing business goals. Here in my home province, Laguna, Philippines, I have observed local cafes I have been to that sustainable practices remain minimal, and studies about local cafes here is also limited. Based from these observations, I would like this study to explore and understand what internal organizational barriers are preventing local cafes in Laguna from fully integrating sustainability into their daily operations. Specifically, I would like to know if there's any sustainable practices implemented, what kind of organizational barriers prevent local cafes from implementing such practices, and how do cafe owners, managers, and staff perceive the feasibility of implementing sustainable practices. These research questions will guide the structure of this study as I will examine awareness, current efforts, challenges, and how available resources shape decision making. For context, MSMEs make up almost the entire business landscape here in the Philippines, amounting to 99.63%. And a significant portion of them operate within the food and accommodation service sector. Laguna, being one of the provinces in Calabarzon, that is the second highest region with MSMEs in the Philippines, makes it a relevant location for this study. Understanding local cafes' organizational barriers can support improved sustainability practices not just locally, but potentially across similar contexts nationwide. This study will be grounded into two key theoretical lenses. First, the triple bottom line framework, which considers sustainability from social, environmental, and economic perspectives. This will help categorize which sustainability areas cafes are succeeding or failing in. Second, the resource-based view theory, which highlights how internal resources, such as finances, knowledge and employee capacities, and operational constraints, influence whether sustainability can be practically implemented. Combining these frameworks will help explain not only what the barriers are, but also see how these affect the behavior of local cafes in implementing sustainable practices compared to large corporations. Based on the literature and conceptual framework, I have come up with four initial hypotheses. Number one, the higher the cost, the more difficult it is to implement sustainable practices in local cafes in Laguna. Number two, the higher the awareness of sustainability, the easier it is with owners and managers in implementing such practices. Number three, when support is present in the organizational culture, the easier it is with the adoption of sustainable practices. And lastly, number four, when there is limited access to sustainable resources, the more difficult it is to implement sustainable practices. These hypotheses connect perceived cost, awareness, organizational culture, and resource availability to sustainability adoption. So for this study, I plan to use a mixed method approach. Quantitative data will be gathered through 5-point Likert scale statements, while qualitative insights will be collected through an open-ended question. Some statements in the questionnaire are adapted from the study by Idian et al. In 2022, entitled The Environmental Responsibilities of Food Service Establishments in Nabua, Philippines, while some parts are newly created to relate with my proposed hypothesis. For the sampling strategy, a purposive sampling will be used, targeting 30 small cafes across 6 cities in Laguna. Owners, managers, and staff involved in operational or decision-making roles will be the target respondents, and their participation will be voluntary and in compliance with the national law, Data Privacy Act of 2012. At the end, I would like this study to contribute to existing literature, particularly in the Philippines MSME context. And for cafe owners, I am hoping that the findings may provide guidance on how to make sustainability more feasible in their daily operations. And finally, I aim for this study to offer insights for policymakers in making support programs or policies that are realistic and aligned with small businesses. Cafes in Laguna may be local, but this is the more reason that we have to provide support, so we can transform these barriers into bridges, and every cup served sustainably brings us closer to a better future. Thank you for your time and consideration.